Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And right here all we have to do is to scroll down to find notifications and control center, which is quite tricky because usually we will go for the battery, but not in this device. We have to tap on notifications and control center. Now let's scroll down to find the status bar option. And as you can see right here, we've got the battery indicator, so let's tap. And in this device, we've got 3 different options, so only the battery indicator at the top. Probably you've got this option applied. We've got the percentage inside the battery icon, which I had previously set, and also the percentage next to the battery icon. So as you can see, this option is the most comfortable to use and most visible because the percentage is really large, but it's of course up to you which option you prefer to use. Basically here you can change it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.